I have XIAOMI Mi A2 and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following options, let's hold down on power off, keep holding on power off. As you can see, reboot to safe mode screen should pop up. All you need to do right now is tap OK, and the device is booting and restarting into the safe mode. So let's just wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use the safe mode. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen. As you can see, the safe mode pops up in that corner. So now you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. So you can just check out how your device reacts without the installed apps. And if you would like to go back to a previous mode, to a normal mode, let's just press power key, choose restart, and let's wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.